in front of me a 4-camera CCTV kit. It's 960H, so semi-high definition, and it's made up of 2 dome cameras, 2 bullets, full kit, everything you need, free delivery with it, and there's an app on it that's quick setup, and it'll allow you to view your CCTV setup from anywhere in the world. So the option with it is a 500 gig hard drive, and so you have an option of getting that installed, and basically you'll have about a week or so of TV recording if you go with this kit with the hard drive installed. So exactly what do you get? Well, the main event is the DVR here itself. At the back of it here we have 4 B and C connections. We have 1 camera connected already, and we have a HDMI output that we're using connecting directly to it. We could use a VGA connection alternatively, and we have it set up, we'll say here, with a LAN connection directly onto the internet, and a mouse connected here as well. You could use the spare USB port here to, we'll say, extract a recording, something like that. If there's an incident, you could just chop off part of it. We have an app that's displayed in a separate video here, and it just shows you how to do it. But basically we're just scanning in a thing called SNN codes that come up on the screen, and that automatically set it up. So only the static IP address, literally set up to have this viewable on your mobile phone, but a 3 to 4 minute setup in total. So this is the kit box it comes in, so it's ideal for resale. The price point that we have that is considerably cheaper. If you got on an airplane and flew to China and bought this kit, you wouldn't buy it as cheap as we're selling it, and it's simply because we were able to get an end-of-line kit, the full warranty on it in relation to brand new kit, and the leads on here is 15 meters long, and both the bullet cameras and the dome cameras here both come with the same specs. So they're IP66 rated, so they're suited for indoor or outdoor use, and they have about a 15 or 20 meter IR range, 20 meter IR range on it, and the leads themselves are 15 meters long. And if you just looked at the leads quickly, we have 2 cables here basically. The red cable is doing the power, and the yellow cable here is doing the actual the picture on it. So it's running the picture from the camera directly from it. And if we look at the powering on it, the power unit that comes with this actually has a 5-way output on it. So some of the units there are being powered directly to the DVR. Another one is powering the camera that we see in operation here, and there's another 3 for units here. So literally everything you need is in the kit, and we have the plugs and screws for mounting them as well, a little overview video or thing as well. So that's it anyway, an overview of the TechGuard 4-channel CCTV kit, 960H, 2 domes, 2 bullets, and an optional 500 gig hard drive.